Hello friends, in this video we are going to list top 9 smartwatches as of 2020. Smartwatches are getting more complex, which is represented in our list, especially when it comes to health, fitness and activity tracker features. For example, most fitness oriented smartwatches will have built-in GPS, heart rate monitor, and many smartwatches are looking at ECG, blood pressure, heart rate alerts and even blood oxygen tracking. Wearing a smartwatch nowadays is more than just about style or getting messages, as it could be a potential lifesaver. The infamous calculator has been around since the 1970s, but smartwatches have finally reached the point that they are well smart. From running apps to displaying smartphone notifications to monitoring your heart rate, the latest crop of smartwatches do a lot more than just tell time. But which one should you buy? We have rounded up our top rated options to help you decide. It's also important to know what to look for, so keep the following advice in mind when shopping around. Naturally, the first thing you will want to consider when buying a smartwatch is compatibility. Most of the devices currently available use Wear operating system or Google's operating system for wearables. Wear operating system supports the iOS, but make sure to find out if the features you want are available on an iOS before buying it. Fitbit operating system and Samsung's Tizen also support both Android and iOS. The Apple Watch, as you would expect, connects strictly to iOS powered devices, so it's iPhone only. Make sure to pick a watch that's compatible with the mobile device you own. Fossil Generation 5 with a price tag of $300. It has a battery life of 18 hours but longer with the extended battery mode. It has a stylish premium stainless steel frame, but Wear operating system simply isn't polished enough to measure up against the best smartwatches from Apple and Samsung. The Generation 5 also eliminates the most glaring performance lag we saw in the past Wear operating system watches. Thanks to 1 GB of RAM and customizable battery modes also make this smartwatch worth a look. Amazfit Bip. You don't necessarily have to pay big bucks to get a capable smartwatch with fitness tracking features. The ultra affordable Amazfit Bip costs less than $80 and yet works with the iOS and Android, and comes with GPS and a heart rate monitor. Fitness tracking features are pretty solid, and the Bip's transflective color display is easy on eyes and doesn't drain the battery. Speaking of battery life, you can expect around 45 days of normal usage. It only comes in one size with a 1.28-inch display. It has a built-in GPS and the look is quite similar to Apple Watch. You can select only from 5 different watch faces and can only view and not respond to notifications from the watch itself. But if you are in the market for a smartwatch that costs less than $100, this is the model to get. Garmin VivoActive 4. Garmin took the best features of its VivoActive 3, the best smartwatch for fitness, and is available at a price of $436. It comes in 2 sizes with 2-button navigation. It has a built-in storage with Spotify support. The VivoActive 4 also offers animated on-screen yoga and Pilates workouts to help you improve your poses. A new Pulse OX sensor measures your blood oxygen level and gives you more detailed sleep insights. All of that plus 7-day battery life makes the VivoActive 4 our favorite smartwatch for fitness buffs. Apple Watch Series 3. It is the most affordable smartwatch for the iPhone users. Starting at $286, the Apple Watch Series 3 is a more affordable smartwatch option than the Series 6 and SE for iPhone users. The size options are smaller and the bezels are thicker, and you won't get ECG or blood oxygen readings, but it's still a good option for the price. It has an improved fitness tracker, faster Siri, and Apple Music streaming with LTE models. Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. It is a sleek fitness smartwatch for Android users. It has a gorgeous design and works with both Android and iOS smartphones. It also has features such as GPS, a heart rate monitor, and LTE. It can automatically track your activity and sleep. Based on Samsung's Tizen operating system, this Galaxy Watch boasts other useful features as Samsung Pay, onboard music via Spotify, and heart health features. That includes an ECG feature that recently earned FDA approval. But the biggest reason why the Galaxy Watch Active 2 is one of the best smartwatches for Android users is its excellent battery life. Apple Watch SE. It is the new mid-range Apple Watch. The Apple Watch SE is a hybrid of the Apple Watch Series 5 and the Apple Watch Series 3. The $410 smartwatch doesn't have all the Series 6 features, but still stands out for its speedy chip and safety features. It also offers an LTE option, making it a good choice for those interested in trying out family setup. It has the classic design with a large screen and huge app library. Fitbit Versa 3. It is the best Fitbit smartwatch yet. Fitbit's Versa 3 is a refined upgrade from the original Versa that adds built-in Alexa and more advanced sleep tracking features, especially now that Fitbit has rolled out a software update that enables a feature to monitor blood oxygen saturation levels. It has a multi-day battery life, and we think the Versa 3 is the best smartwatch if you are looking for a way to monitor your sleeping habits. The Versa 3 works with both iOS and Android and costs less than $399, which makes it a great value. Fitbit added a Spotify app to the Versa 3 so you can control music playback from your wrist. Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. It is the best smartwatch for Android users. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 is one of the most stylish smartwatches around at a price of approximately $450 and one of the most functional too. It's available in two sizes, 41 and 45 mm, as well as in LTE variants, so you can leave your smartphone at home. It has a 2-day battery life. The Galaxy Watch 3's rotating bezel makes navigating the watch interface easy, while accessing to thousands of watch faces lets you customize the display to your liking. The Galaxy Watch 3's biggest setback is that Samsung's App Store is limited compared to Apple's, but Tizen is catching up. Apple Watch Series 6. It is the best smartwatch overall, and it is also the best Apple Watch yet. It builds on everything we appreciated about the Series 5, from the always-on display to the collection of health features with an even brighter screen and added blood oxygen reader. Plus, the Apple Watch comes in color for the first time. The exclusive blue and product red finishes are absolutely eye-catching. While we would have liked to see the Apple Watch improve its 18-hour battery life, the Series 6 does benefit from faster charging. The latest software also adds new watch faces, mobility matrix, and automatic hand washing timer. So friends, here was our insight to help you in finding the best suitable smartwatch as per your liking and needs. Please subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos.